Well, when it rains, it pours. Got that heater core up out there. Now it's time to see how much water is actually in the car. A whole bunch of water. So we need to peel all this back and vacuum it out, dilute it with water. Cause yeah, we got a lake over here. Yeah, we got a lake over here. Lake MSI, aka antifreeze, contamination, biohazard, D all the above. If you're out here working on your old school car, aka Mustangs or anything that has a heater core leak, it can be hazardous. Antifreeze does not evaporate, it's just contaminate. So look what we got here. We got the antifreeze lake. So basically what we're going to do is pull the whole carpet out the car in the front, rinse it and dry it, rinse it and dry it again. We're going to try and cheat death and since it's already on this side of the car, peel the car, dilute it with water, vacuum it. We're going to dry or rinse and try again, because you know on the Mustangs you got to pull the seats out just to get it up out of here. So we're going to try it the easy way and see what happens, because we got a lake right now. Yeah, that part.